In honor of Hispanic Heritage Month, which began this month here in America, I just wanted to again bring out some oldie but goodies, the reliable, beautiful brands that happen to be Latin, Latina, and Latinx founded, fronted brands. And these are some of my favorites and my go-tos, and they show up every year, so why not revisit them? A couple of products I have featured here is, in no particular order, a brand called Necromancy. And I know I feature here. I'll post the video somewhere here, or at the end of the video. They recently changed their packaging, but love this brand. It is founded and based out on the lovely island of Puerto Rico. Love that. Another brand that I have here that's also Latina fronted and founded and owned is Besame Cosmetics, and this is their mascara cake. This is, of course, they've recently rebranded it and made it like a thinner brick, but this is the one that I love, that I was introduced to and I like. And these last a long time, and a little goes a long way, and you just activate it with water. Okay, so let's start the show. So let's start this. So I found a random set of brushes, which I intend to use. One of the first things that it has in here is this lovely angled brush, and it has a spoolie, so I'll use that to brush these unruly brows and put them in place. For starters, just to feel like I've done something with them. But I'm going to use this end for this. So you take a little water, a little drop will do you. You don't need a lot. Put that right on the, like such. And then you can use a brush, you can use your finger. To activate it. Okay. I'm going to use this as a liner to go in and create. I almost want to eat it because it looks like a little brick of chocolate. Okay, so this is going to be a little tight, so we'll try to get this in here. If you're wondering what shade this is in the shade Magdalena. I'm going back in here again because I'm going to use this spoolie. Why not? As mascara brush. And you can make this as dramatic or as light as you want. I like it on the light side to make it look a little more natural while still defining. Like that. I like that. And that is my look. Just a simple mascara liner, courtesy of Besame, lip, courtesy of Necromancy. I also had a little as blush. Now, Necromancy does have an eye palette. For some reason, I can't locate it at the moment. Otherwise, I would have it here. I've been a little disorganized, but I just wanted to do a look and continue on my nod, as I do every year for Hispanic Heritage. In particular, we celebrate that here in the United States, and to just bring awareness to Latin, Latina, Latinx, founded and fronted brands. I'm liking it. Yeah, just a quick 1, 2, 3, and out the door. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. And even better, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest makeup adventure. And I hope to see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe.